Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really cool math topic, prime numbers. Don't worry, by the end of this video, they'll be super easy to understand. What are prime numbers? So, what exactly is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than one that has only two factors. One in itself. That means it can't be divided evenly by any other number. Let's look at some examples. 2 is a prime number. It can only be divided by 1 and 2. 3 is prime because its factors are only 1 and 3. 5, 7, 11, and 13 are also prime numbers. But numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, or 14 are not prime. Why? Because they have more than two factors. Fun fact: did you know 2 is the only even prime number? How to check if a number is prime? To check if a number is prime: 1, you need to make sure it's greater than 1. 2, try dividing it by numbers smaller than itself. 3, if nothing divides evenly except 1 in itself, it's prime. It's quiz time. Remember, a prime number has exactly two factors, 1 in itself. Pause the video if you need more time. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Now you know what a prime number is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below how many answers you got right. And I'll see you in the next math video.